Hey guys, I know I mentioned the other day that I went down to Nebraska to pick up a tractor for the place. We kind of upgraded, sold our other tractor and got a new tractor. And this tractor is going to be a pretty nice upgrade for us. As you can see, it's basically brand new. Believe it or not, this tractor is a 2012 tractor with 10 hours on it. That's right, you heard me, 10 hours. It's kind of unusual to find a deal like that. They don't come around every day. Admittedly, I wasn't looking to kind of upgrade this far, but when you got a tractor that's 2012 and it's still pretty minimal, it doesn't have a lot of the fancy emissions electronics on it and so forth. It's still a pretty simple tractor with only 10 hours on it. I mean, basically, look at this bucket. I don't even know if there's a scratch on it. You see that right there? That's the factory sticker. There's not even a scratch on the sticker. So, this is the tractor, and you're going to be seeing this tractor quite a bit in future videos as we maintain the road, and we'll be using it to help put up the timber frame and all kinds of stuff. So anyways, just a short little video just to show this to you. Pretty excited about it. I'm pretty proud to have it, pretty lucky to find a good deal like that. It basically put it down into the price range that I could afford, which is always a nice bonus. So anyways, see you on the next one.